folks, Ron Valley, and I'm back with this sewing cabinet. Check it out, folks. Look at this. There's the metal dowel that's in this leg. Okay, we've got to try to somehow get this out of there. So watch this. Put a vice grip on there like that. It's pretty loose. See that? Can't do that with a wooden dowel. Somebody asked, why not use metal? Because this is why. Metal doesn't stick to wood. See that? So we're going to clean that glue off in the next video, folks. And we're going to clean that glue off and see what's underneath there. That's interesting. Hang tight for the next one, folks. Yeah, this piece is old. It really is. It's really cool, too. The Industrial Revolution was here. See, there's those nails. So, anyway, okay, hang tight, folks. See you in a few.